Namaskar to everyone, welcome to everyone, and in this video tutorial we'll fix a small issue relating to loading of the song. See, when we tap on a specific song or when we tap on the play all song, the song starts playing, but then since it is online, first the song is being loaded in the cache or maybe in the buffer, right? Till the uh, adequate buffer is accumulated, the song doesn't start playing. So in that case, what we will do here, we shall show our user loader. Okay, say that when the specific song is being tapped, the loader will show uh, kind of graphics that will rotate round and round clockwise. Okay, making the user feel that the song is being loaded, and once it starts playing, actually the loader will disappear, and then the equalizer will be showed to the user. Okay, so let's go to our laptop and fix this issue. I'm on my laptop. Let me show you the loader. This is the loader. When I click the loader, so you can see we want to show the user this uh, GIF image. Okay, so that they feel that the song is being loaded till it starts playing. Okay, so let's cancel this and go to this. Okay, so what we will do, actually let me go to the block and show you one thing here. I have observed that within Player 1 we have this status change which keeps track of the status of the player. Is playing, it checks, is pause, is stop, is loading. So usually what will happen here, you might want to use is loading to display the loader, but in our case we will not do that. We will create our own status change. Okay, uh, so why I want to do that, the reason is I'll have more control on my application, so that is the reason. So for that I will go to our clock. See, it's already in the clock. Go to the sensors. Okay, and here you have a clock. Just drag and drop on the main screen. Once it is dropped, okay, we'll give this status change. Okay, and then we'll disable the timer. Okay, just you untick it here in the timer enabled, and then go to the block. Okay, now here we will go to our status change clock. So this is the timer we have. Okay, and then what we shall do, let's put here the timer this side somewhere here. Okay, we don't need so vast space for this. Keep it here somewhere, and then let's go to our Player 1, and then here we have a condition is loading, right? So we drag that, and then we'll go to our control block, and then from here we will drag this if then statement and drop it inside the timer, status change timer. Okay, and then assign this is loading to it. So we check first if is loading, then we want to display the loader. So where do we get the loader? Let's go to our asset, and then from upload asset, let's go, this is the loader that we want to show it. I've uploaded, and we can have a view here, you can see. So this is what I want to show. Okay, so for that let's expand this playlist item, and then from here we will grab one of this one. We'll duplicate this block. Okay, and drag it here and fix it here. So here what I will just drag somewhat this side on the left side of the screen, and then change this position to current position. Okay, and change this also to current position as of now, and then we'll change this name to loader dot gif. Okay, right, and then we will put a condition. So here what happened if it is not loading. Okay, if it is not loading, which means it finished loading, then we want to show or display a user equalizer. In that case, we'll grab this again, duplicate it, bring it here, and then set it under, right? Okay, and change this position to current position as well, because we have a global current position, so it will keep track of it. We don't need to worry for that. Okay, now it's playing, it's showing the equalizer. So when the equalizer is being shown, we want to disable the timer. So for that we go to our timer block, and then from the timer enabled we drag this property and set it under the update item, and then from the logic we will drag and drop false. So right now our timer is being disabled. Okay, when it starts showing equalizer, then we disable. Then now how we trigger or we enable our timer. See here, when a particular list of the item is being tapped, then we will enable the timer, right? For that we go again back to our status changed, and then we drag and drop just below the start. When it starts playing, I mean we step and we have triggered the start function, we want to enable the timer, right? Or we want to show the timer. I mean timer is not being cannot be shown because it's non-visible component, but the UI which is inside the timer or the function, uh, I mean the UI can be displayed. Okay, so let's test as of now how it looks. Okay, let's go to our test and then run the connect companion. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and please get me more users if you can. Please do me a favor, I'll be very grateful to you. I'm scanning the QR code. Okay, let's tap on one of the list playlist item. See, it's actually there is a problem in the beginning, but then we will fix it. But we can see the loader, and when it started playing, uh, it showed us our equalizer, right? That is what we want. Say, let's tap the other song. Okay, so we'll fix this. Okay, now here in our laptop, I mean, what we can do is that, okay, we'll do one thing, and that is I will see if we can remove. See, for the in case of pause, we will keep it as it is, update of the item. But in case of playing of the song, we want this. Okay, I want to remove this whole entire block, right? Okay, I'll just keep it here in case we want to use later on. I will duplicate this. I need this because see, once it starts playing, then I want the user to show this also as well. Okay, then I will disable the timer, right? So we have done in this way. I mean, here we have done okay in playlist item. So let's go to play all, click item. Okay, and then here, yes, this is where we want to walk. Okay, set this sideways, and then of course this will be here, and then we want the timer to come here, right? Okay, I'll set this, I'll keep this side so that if we need we can use it again. Okay, here what we will do, let's do one thing here. We need a timer again, right? Enable timer here just after the start of the function, and then we go to our logic and then set this true. Okay, we are done here, and then we also want here, yes, um, first of all, yes, okay, we want here as well, this one, okay, we, yeah, the entire thing. Okay, we will bring this block here in case we want to use later. We will duplicate this, right? Duplicate it and just set it below exo player start. Okay, we have done the side. Then maybe we want to do when the song is completed. Say here, yeah, this is the place. Yeah, set here somewhere, and then get back to this place. And then we'll duplicate our timer. Okay, and then we'll drag it down and set it here. It starts playing, then we want to show this, right? And then in case of pause, we don't need that. Okay, when the song completes, okay, fine. But what about here? Yeah, this let's take somewhat this side. Okay, now here what happens, the first thing is when we press the previous position, it starts playing. Since it starts playing, we show this. Okay, we'll remove this from here, but we don't want to remove this. We'll keep it as it is to keep the track of the uh, index. So we can again go to our status and then timer enable. We'll set it here, and then from the logic we'll drag and drop this true. We will duplicate this because we will need it here as well. Okay, here also equalizer. Okay, I'll just see. Okay, here also we need it, right? So keep it here, and then we'll enable, of course, and then okay, we come down here, also we start playing the song, right? Since we are playing the song, okay, our connection is disconnected with our handset, no problem. We'll duplicate this. So we shall drag this and then place it here. Okay, okay, as of now we are done, I think. Let's check it. Okay, let's go back to our designer. Then let's reset the connection before running it. Connect to companion. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and please help me get more users, more subscribers for my video tutorial. If you do like it, share it with your friends and your known persons. Okay, I'm scanning it. Okay, let's tap. Now it's loading, and it started playing. Okay, let's check for other songs as well. It's loading. It started playing. Okay, now let's play, and then let's click on next song and see. Okay, let's play on the play all song. Loading. It started playing. Come on, guys. Now let me play next song. It's loading, and started playing. Next, loading, and it started playing. Let's okay, now let's play and then go previous song. Now I'll tap play. Previous song, it's loading, and then it's playing, right? Okay, now we shall clean the block. Okay, we'll remove all this. We don't need it because it's working fine now. We can proceed. And in the below description, I'll give the link for this app. You can download it and you can listen to the songs. You can see for yourself whether it is working in your handset or not. Okay, we'll clean this as well. We don't need anymore. We'll remove all the unwanted blocks from here. Yeah, let's see here. Do we have unwanted blocks? Yeah, we have. Remove this. Okay.